Hi everyone, how are you? My name is Adaku and I'm on a mission to get more people wearing more colour and having more colour in their homes. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you 12 new fabrics that we have in stock. So if you want to see the 12 gorgeous new fabrics that we have in, then keep watching. So the first fabrics that I'm going to be showing you, I've called cocoa beans, because they do look, or coffee beans even, not cocoa beans, coffee beans, because they do look, I could have said coffee beans as cocoa beans as well maybe, but I've called them coffee beans because they do look like coffee beans. The repeat on the design are coffee beans. So let's have a look at this. Now, I think one of the first things to remember with African print fabrics is that you can use them in either direction. What I mean by that is that, as you can see, as I hold up this piece of fabric, gorgeous purple with some pinks, you can see that the way the design runs vertically is different than how it runs horizontally. All right? Just as you would with directional stripes. So it's up to you how you want to use the fabric. The rule in sewing is that you cut on the straight grain. That would mean that the stripe would always go horizontally. But I think that if you can, and you want to, use the fabric in this direction, with the sort of stripes running down, then do so. With these fabrics you can cut in either direction. So this is the purple, coffee beans on purple, gorgeous, and you've got this sort of lovely pink running through on the lighter stripes. It is a pink, I don't know how clearly that shows up on your screen, but that is a pink against the purple on the main alternative strip. And I think that these sorts of designs would look great on a jumpsuit or a wrap dress. I think that would look really, really lovely, because then you could take advantage of that beautiful design running vertically on the garment. So next I have the same design but in a red colourway. You've got sort of red and yellow. And then in addition to the bigger sort of stripes, you've also got this lovely sort of check detail. You've got the check with a white background, with a red, and then a white background with a blue. It's really, really beautiful. Have a look on the website, because you'll be able to get a closer look at all of these designs. This design also comes in a blue. Oh, that's gorgeous, isn't it? That's stunning. Really, really beautiful. And even a shirt like the one I'm wearing would look gorgeous in any one of these designs, because you could take advantage, as I say, of that strip that runs down. And again, you can use the design going in this direction if you prefer. And then finally, in this green, look at that. And there's a lovely there's lovely movement with these fabrics. Lovely movement. They're not stiff at all. They wash really well, they sew really well. They're all made from 100% cotton. So those are the 4 in the coffee bean design. And then I've also got fabrics in a range that I've called Fashionista. So firstly then, look at that. So you've got sort of yellow as the main colour with orange and white or cream, very sort of light cream. Beautiful. Again, you can choose whether you would like your pattern to run in this direction or this direction. Entirely up to you. So remember, these aren't just good for dressmaking, clothes making. They're also great for homewares, cushions, quilts, throws, wall hangings, bags. This design also comes in this colourway. Oh, look at that, that I love. Look at that, beautiful. Again, on mainly a cream background with blues and yellows. Again, if you have a look at this on my website, there are lots of different images and also images that give you a better idea of the scale, although you can see my hand on the print, so it gives you a rough idea. And then in a blue, the blue's coming next, sorry, in a sort of red, again a very creamy background with lots of reds, sort of pale browns, beautiful. I've just got 1 yard held up here. I just cut a yard away of each so I can more easily show them to you. We sell them by the half yard, so you can buy as much as you need in increments of a half yard. Oh, I love this blue. Oh. These are really, the colours as you see them, that's exactly how they are. They're very, very rich colours. As you can see, they're printed on both sides of the fabric. There's virtually no difference at all between the wrong side and the right side. So those were Fashionista, if you want to look for those. Now we've got a range that I've called Flowers. Again, really, really lovely. I would think almost certainly I'd want to make clothes out of this print. And I also have flowers on blue. So that was the pink, this is the blue. And then finally, the red. I think a shirt dress in this would just look absolutely lovely. You wouldn't need to worry about pattern matching. It would all just look just so lovely. And then finally, I've only got one colourway in this design. This I've called Eden on brown. Again, really, really gorgeous. A multitude of things you could make, I think, with these. Trousers, dresses, skirts, tops, blouses. It's really just a question of of what you like to wear. I always suggest to people, if they're not sure what to make, just think about sort of what you generally like to make and wear, and sort of use that as a starting point, and then see which fabric would be best suited to that. So those are all available on the Dovetailed website. I hope you enjoyed that video. Do let me know which is your favourite, and let me know what you thought about this video. We will be making these sorts of videos whenever we have new fabrics in stock. And take care all, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye.